Welcome to our special video, 5 most anti-aging stretches. Are you ready to turn back the clock and feel rejuvenated? Join us as we unveil a selection of stretches tailored to keep you feeling youthful and energized. Whether you're a seasoned fitness enthusiast or just starting your wellness journey, these stretches are perfect for all levels. So grab your mat, hit that subscribe button, and let's defy aging together. At number 5, squats. Squats, those powerhouse moves that do wonders for your body. Let me break it down for you. When you nail a squat just right, it's like giving your entire system a tune-up. Here's the scoop. First off, squats are like a calorie-crushing furnace. They rev up your metabolism and get those calories burning. But that's not all. They're like a superhero when it comes to preventing injuries. By strengthening your muscles, especially those in your core, they act like a protective shield, keeping you safe from those pesky aches and pains. And hey, speaking of core strength, squats are like a secret weapon. They engage all those important muscles: the rectus abdominis, obliques, transverse abdominis, and erector spinae, helping you stand tall and strong. But wait, there's more. Squats aren't just about looking good in your jeans. They boost your athletic prowess, making you more agile and powerful in whatever you do, whether it's hitting the gym or just tackling your daily to-do list. So how do you do them? It's pretty simple, really. Start with your feet a bit wider than your hips, toes slightly turned out. Keep that chest up, engage those abs, and shift your weight back into your heels as you squat down. Go as low as you can while maintaining good form, then power back up through those heels, squeezing your glutes at the top. Aim for 10 to 15 reps and work your way up to 3 sets. Boom! Squats! The ultimate anti-aging move for your body and your mojo. Number 4, butterfly stretch. Imagine yourself sitting on the floor, legs stretched out in front of you. Now bring your feet in towards your inner thighs, letting them cozy up together like old friends. As you do, let your knees gently fall to the sides, reaching towards the floor. Feel that sweet stretch in your hips? That's the magic of the butterfly stretch at work. But wait, there's more. This stretch isn't just about loosening up those hips. It's also a posture-perfecting wonder. By opening up your hip flexors and lengthening your spine, it helps you stand tall and proud like the confident superstar you are. And hey, flexibility? You betcha! The butterfly stretch is like a key that unlocks all those tight spots, leaving you feeling more limber and free with every gentle breath. So next time you're feeling a bit stiff or stressed, just spread your wings and embrace the butterfly stretch. Your body will thank you for it. Number 3, standing calf stretch. The standing calf stretch. Imagine yourself in this scenario. You're at home, facing a wall with a casual stance, hands resting comfortably at eye level with one foot placed slightly behind the other. You're about to embark on a journey of flexibility and rejuvenation. As you bend your front knee, keeping that back heel rooted firmly on the ground, you'll feel a delicious stretch coursing through your calf muscles. It's like hitting the reset button for your lower body, releasing tension and inviting relaxation. Hold that pose for a solid 15 to 30 seconds, allowing the stretch to work its wonders. Repeat a few times for good measure, because why not treat your calves to some extra love? But here's where it gets exciting. The stretch isn't just about those calves, it's a game changer for your entire lower body. By enhancing flexibility and range of motion, it sets the stage for smoother, more graceful movement in your daily life. And let's not forget the added bonuses. Improved balance, heightened stability. These are the gifts that keep on giving, courtesy of the standing calf stretch. Number 2, reclining spinal twist. Get comfy on your back and pull those knees close to your chest. Now gently let your left leg relax on the mat while you keep hugging your right knee in tight. Stretch your arms out wide like you're making a T shape with your body, palms facing down. Hook your right foot behind your left inner thigh and slowly guide your right knee across your body towards the mat, only as far as it feels good. Look over your right shoulder and aim to keep both shoulders nice and flat on the ground. Now let's talk about why this stretch is so awesome. It's like a full body stretch, hitting your IT band, TFL, glutes, piriformis, lower back, abs, obliques, chest, shoulders, and even your neck. Your spine will thank you for the extra mobility it brings. Kiss goodbye to that nagging lower back tension. Relaxation mode activated. This stretch helps chill out your body and mind. Got pain in your upper back, lower back, knees, or neck? This stretch might just be your new best friend. Stress relief bonus included. Give it a shot and let the good vibes flow. Number 1, lunges. Lunges are fantastic for building strength, sculpting muscles, and enhancing overall fitness. Here's how to do them. First, start standing tall with your feet hip-width apart and your hands on your hips or by your sides. Second, take a step forward with your right foot, lowering your body until both knees are bent at about a 90-degree angle. Make sure your front knee is directly above your ankle and your back knee is hovering just above the ground. Third, push through your right heel to return to the starting position. Then repeat on the other side. Now, let's talk about the perks. Weight loss. Lunges engage multiple muscle groups, helping to boost your metabolism and burn calories. Stability. By working your leg muscles and core, lunges improve balance and stability, which is essential for everyday movements and activities. Correct alignment. Lunges promote proper posture and alignment, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing overall body mechanics. Anti-aging benefits. Various types of lunges, such as walking lunges, reverse lunges, and side lunges, target different muscle groups and contribute to functional fitness, helping to keep you strong, agile, and youthful. Incorporate lunges into your workout routine to reap these amazing benefits and keep your body feeling strong and healthy. Thanks for turning into our 5 most anti-aging stretches video. We hope you enjoyed discovering these rejuvenating exercises as much as we enjoyed sharing them with you. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave a comment below letting us know which stretch was your favorite. Until next time, keep stretching, stay youthful, and embrace the journey to a happier, healthier you.